Custom brushes can be extremely powerful. They can also be made really terribly or gimmicky, and they'll do more harm than good. Now, clearly there are a variety of features inside the brush palette that I didn't have a chance to get to in this series. It's a very deep system. But now that you know the rules, it won't be hard for you to experiment with the other types. So get out that diagnostic brush, the one with the arrows, and try out different tools. Because each property follows the same guidelines. There will be the how much, which is usually a slider, and then controlled by what, which is off, fade, pen pressure, pen tilt, or stylus wheel. And combining these controls in different ways will yield all kinds of different results. Really, it's totally up to your own imagination. So dig into these features and see what they do. As a final thought though, I want to caution you about the danger of custom brushes. They are to be used sparingly when you're painting. It's all too often that beginners will get excited about this new power, making custom brushes, and then they'll fill their paintings with crazy brush marks. Now, I'd encourage you to only make brushes when you have a specific problem to solve, just like the case studies we've been doing throughout this series. Working in this way will keep your brush library small and useful. Also, remember, when I paint, 90% of the time I'm only using one of my basic brushes. Maybe I'll keep the brush palette open and turn on some texture now and then, but most of the heavy lifting is not done by crazy scatter brushes. The brush that's easiest to control and gives you the most predictable results is going to be the one you use most of the time. So I hope you enjoyed this series and learned something new about custom brushes. Your support keeps Control Paint alive, and I really appreciate your purchase. So thanks a lot.